Okay, trading recap for Friday, the end of the week, end of the day. It is Friday the 24th of July. It's 3:30. And let's go over our charts. Actually, let's go over our profit for the day. We have 566, 919, 543, 631, 809, 3468. Trading day today on all the eval accounts on Apex, 150,000. Trying to get these past next couple weeks. So overall, good trading day, good trading week, even though we had a losing day yesterday, a first red day. So we ended up the week green. Let's go over the charts. 4-hour chart. So we came in the morning. This is the 1 o'clock. Actually, this is, let me see here. Okay, this is the 5 to 9. This candle here is the 4-hour candle. And then we have the 1 to 5, which is this one here. This is London. This is the 9 to 1 o'clock, 4-hour, which most people, that's the window they trade in. And this is the 1 to 5 candle. As you can see, it's red right now. But the bias always coming in is to see where the 4-hour candle is at. So when we came in this morning, this was a bullish. But as you can see, we are at key levels. This is a resistance levels, a daily level. And you see all these 4-hour candles up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots of resistance in this range. And overnight, we had bearish, then we had a bullish coming to this resistance up here, and the 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock candle, we just closed dead red. So what does that mean? That means we're looking to sell this 4-hour candle continuation or waiting for the pullbacks to get in. And the bias was selling this market. Even though this candle was green, we still had a bias to sell this market because we never did break out. And when we closed here, this would be your indication just to really scale in if you have for buys to go down lower. But that is where we're at. That is the bias when we came in this morning. Even though this was bullish, you can see lots of resistance. You have 1, 2 daily levels with 4-hour candles up here. So as soon as you find out what your bias, that's what you're going to go with. The mistake I made yesterday was trying to catch a level to reverse, which is this one here, and we never did reverse. But yesterday's price action, we got the high up here, the low down here. You can see the major difference on that. And so we were looking to sell this market. So when we came in, you could wait for the 15 or the 30 or even the hour initial balance range to form and then just take your scalps off of that. But knowing that this bearish candle on the 4-hour, I'm looking to sell this market within this range. And so we go to our level here. As you can see, this is the open window, which the market's still open. It's going to close at about, what, another 20 minutes or so. So this is the 8:30. We went up, and then we just sold off. So the bias coming in was selling the market. So we're looking for selling candles. So this went up here. So we can see these are 80 tick candles, especially the reversal candles are 160 ticks. And the reason why I do that is NASDAQ easily runs 100 points, 100 ticks at no problem. So with this reversal candle, 160 ticks, that is looking to sell. And you could sell these to the levels or to other price levels. So you can see this forms the high lows. So you get into this trade, you take this out, and then you could just, track it down until it actually forms another green. Then you could get out. Then you're looking for another sell. This here, this would be the sell signal here. You have a reversal 160, another, and then you just take this until you come to another point, which you still kept going lower. So this one right here, this was at the open, 9 o'clock. So that's one, that's 2 trades. You're still looking to sell. So this is a reversal signal, but you never had another another red candle. So this is nullified as well as this. You're looking for the reverse. So we have a reversal and then we have another sell. This would be a good sell. You would take this out. Then you have a reversal. Then you have these levels here. You have the high, the low. So you had consolidation here. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until it actually broke. So as soon as you break, you're looking to get in and get out at this key level. And then of course, when you get out, you're consolidating here. And then it goes up on you, but you're still looking to sell this market. 1, 2, you get here, take it for a few. You see this reversal. You have 1, 2, 1, 2. Then it trend up for the day, but it never broke this high here. Then here's another setup. You have a reversal 160, another bar. Get in on this trade here to take it where? To this low. So this bar here, take it to this low, you're out. Then you're waiting for your next setup. If you're still trading, you should have been done here. Reversal afternoon, get into that, and then it just goes down. And this is the 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1. As you can see, this 1 hour, if we go to the 4, this new 1 hour took this low of the 4 hour out. So that's where you're looking for the reversals, because we never broke this high 4 hour candle. Even though this is bullish, you still had a lot of down pressure because it is a down day. So you could see that. And that was another opportunity to trade. By then, I mean, consolidation, this is at the close, and you would basically be done. But and that's how we got these trades. So altogether, we were at 34.68 for a winning day, looking to pass these evals. That's how you would trade. Wait till this hour's form, or you could start going in trades, going to the downside, because we had downside pressure. And then you would trade this. Because this is red, I'm only looking for sales unless we get to key levels and start breaking. And of course, the close candle, you can see we went all the way down here. And then you would use the bias coming in was to sell the market. You're just looking for your selling setups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Consolidation, this is around lunchtime after 10 o'clock. What is it, 10, 11? Then the new, here's a selling point right here, another selling point. By then you would have been done. And that's how we got our profit of 34.68 for the day using micros trading NASDAQ. So overall, we had a good week. A loser yesterday was only red day, but the rest of the week were winners, and we will take that every time.